Right, today we'll be doing an unboxing of your Go notebook bundle that you've ordered from Go Rentals. From the front, you lift the lid, you open the box. Inside you'll see there's a Go notebook. First you take out the bag, put this inside. Right, from the top you open this section here, you'll see one notebook power adapter is your first piece, one mouse, second piece. That'll be it for this section. For the middle section of the bag, you will see inside a nice bubble sleeve. This will be for the protection during transportation. Just remove the Velcro on the front and it'll come right out. The bubble sleeve will open from the top. Just peel it back and you will lift out with ease. Here's your complete Go notebook bundle.